Welcome back to QAnswer's new chat interface. In this tutorial, we'll quickly demonstrate how each of these icons actually work. Let us begin with the attachment icon, using which you can upload data sources of your choice, including documents, websites, emails, and more. Let us try out Document Connector. Upload document of your choice. You can upload multiple documents depending upon your use case. Once the document has been uploaded, let us try out a few questions. List out QAnswer's use cases. And here you have the answers together with the answer source to verify your response. Let us try out another question. Produce a table for its LLMs. And here you have a table with all QAnswer supported LLMs. Click the answer source. The highlighted text shows the exact paragraph used to generate the response, using which you can verify your answers. Let us now try the image feature. Upload image of your choice and try out a question like when and where is the fair taking place? And you have your response from the image. Let us now try the web search feature, which pulls the answer from across the internet. Let us try it out with a question like how to freeze the top row in a Google Sheet. That's it for this video. See you in the next video.